So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can boost the in-game FPS for GTA 5 on your Windows laptop or computer or any Windows device that you have. Now, in order to do it, just simply click on Start menu and go to the task manager. You need to do this process before starting the game. Now here, click on Performance section and you need to track down even if before starting the game, check it whether your CPU or GPU is consuming anything or not. For example, my GPU is consumed for about 52%. Now I need to find out what it consumes it. Now here you can see the OBS software that is consuming a lot of memory and CPU is the reason for it. So just simply stop that particular process before starting the game. For example, I just simply untask it. Now that will definitely boost the in-game FPS for GTA 5 because it will get more resources for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.